Hello everyone, in the previous video, I already show you how to download Mikrotik Router OS for install in VMware. And in this video I will show you how to install in on VMware machine. This is the file Mikrotik Router that I had downloaded before, so I will cut it to other location. I will create new folder here, and rename it to Mikrotik for make it easy to find for the next time. And I will paste my Mikrotik file here. Now let's begin to install the Mikrotik router by first start the VMware program. After the VMware program started, go to File menu, and select New Virtual Machine. Click on Next. Choose option Installer Disk Image File, ISO. Click on Browser and find the file Mikrotik ISO file that we already downloaded, then click Next. On guest operating system we choose Other. And click Next. The location I will change to the location that I keep the file Mikrotik ISO. And I create new folder, and put the name VM. OK, let continuous by click Next. Next. Finished. Before start I want to make Mikrotik run faster, so I will change RAM for this VM machine to 512 megabytes. And I will add more network adapter for this Mikrotik. For network adapter 1, we can use it as NAT, or bridged. To share the internet connection from our real machine it will be play role as WAN. And other network adapter we will use it for sharing internet to our local network, it mean use for our LAN. I will explain you more for next video when I make the video configuration Mikrotik for internet access.
I will add 3 network adapter more.
So now my Mikrotik router will have 4 network adapters. OK, now I will start my Mikrotik machine. Now let install Mikrotik by press key I on the keyboard. Now just wait until the installation finish. The installation already finished and the system now is rebooting. Now we can log into Mikrotik router, with default account admin and blank password. OK, for the video how to install Mikrotik in VM machine already end. Thanks you everyone for watching my video. Please like share my video if you think this video is helpful, and don't forget to subscribe my channel to get new update. We will meet again with the video configuration Mikrotik internet access.